Hello, welcome to Programming Academic channel, and please welcome to this topic. So today we are going to study a new topic. Our topic is comment tags. So what does mean comment tags? Comment tags we use to hide a content. We don't want to our content to show on the browser. So we put some kind of text and then we want to hide. So this is the in HTML, it's called comment tags. So how we can use the comment tag? It's very easy, and then we can use to hide our content. Okay, so let's get to start to see what is a comment tags. Okay, so comment tags, we have here paragraph, right? And then we want to put on the top here some text, and then also on the bottom here some text. Okay, we add some text, so wherever you want, so you can put a comment. So it doesn't mean you only just put on the top here or on the bottom here. No, you can put wherever you want. But so how you can use? So you can use, okay, okay, in bracket, then you use at first explanation tag, okay, and then you use like this, and then you can put this is the comment. That is the comment. You see here, this word I put here, so only you can see, but no one can see it. Okay, this comments. Okay, so we have here bracket and then explanation, and then we put on middle here this information. So whatever you want, you can put here, and then it's the closing here, so it will be working. So remember, so do it like the same like this. It should work right. Okay, and then also you can do it here. You can put on the bottom, so it doesn't matter. It's all the same. So you just put, you see here, and then you can add or okay, so you can add more information, so more. Okay, so this is the comment text, remember, so this is very easy. So but if we running our code here, so if we right click and then open with the live server, so if we run, so we don't see on the browser this letter, okay, this text, and then also this. Okay, we only can see this. This is a paragraph. Okay, only we can see this, because this is only you can see, no one can see it, because this is the comment text. So we use this information, so we hide our content if there's something, so we just put like this. Okay, thank you, see you in our next topic.